Right, some mailbag items here. I've got 4 items, so we'll see what we have. So they are tips for the TS100. I purchased a few different ones. What's that? C4. Was it IPCK or 1PCK? I'm not sure which one it is. And oh, sorry, BC2. Is that just an I then, or 1? I, must be an I. Okay. So we'll look and see what they look like. Get around the packets. Come on, open up. Come on, give me something to grab hold of. There we go. Right, there we go. Now, there's a pretty fine tip there. In there. I'm not sure what size it is. I've got no bloody idea. But it's a conical tip. So I was hoping it's going to be a small chisel, but yeah, that's fine. Chuck that back in there. So that's that one, and try them down here this time. Here we go. That works. So that's the C4, which is a big chisel. There you go. This is the I had to buy these myself. Banggood said they didn't have enough stock to send me some for the review. Well, okay. I would include Banggood links anyway for these, I expect, seeing as I do have an affiliate link with them. And there's a small chisel tip here. Right. So on BC2 it's called. So compared to the I can't bother getting it now, but the I thought I'd get some tips to give me some selections to use with the iron, because I think I'm probably going to use it at some point to replace this other thing I've got here, which is just, in comparison, is absolute rubbish. So the TS100 does work very well, but anyway. Look at the next thing. Okay, what's this? This looks familiar. I think I know what this is. It's a new camera mount. So this is what I use right now for my camera, or for my phone. Which way does that go? I have to take that one off there. So yeah, this is what I'm using right now for my phone. Is this arm? This is what it's on right now. And I had an issue with this little nut here, because this little nut here is plastic. This end here. That one is plastic. That one's metal, I think. Or is it? It feels cold, so I think that one's aluminium, but this one's plastic. Anyway, and my one of these is stripped. It's sitting right here on a shelf. I managed to work around it, but I thought, oh, I'll just get another one, and could be handy. I mean, I might even look at, I don't know, can I strap them together? Probably screw them together like that and have a really long arm on there. Now that might be a good idea. Give you a lot more flexibility. Rather than having 2 mounts, I could just make that one much longer, assuming it can take the weight on the joints. It's like a friction thing on there, just do it up a little bit at a time. So I think I'll do that actually, rather than having 2 mounts. But, anyway, I'll play with it later on. Okay, so I've got a package here from RS. Now we'll see what I bought this time. Probably more capacitors. Come on, get in there. Oh look, more capacitors. Check out the invoice and see what it says. So I've got these are for my current project, which I'm not quite sure what video signals this is going to be in, whether this one comes out first or whether the project comes out first, not really sure. Can't even read them on there. We'll turn around the wrong way. So I've got some 40 volt 100 UF and 2200 UF 25 volt. So those are the 1000 UFs in there. So these must be the 2200. Yeah, look at that, it's right on the back there. Right, so these are for the power supplies in a HP 4261A, which I'm currently working on. Right, what's in this one? Get the invoice out of the way. That surprised you, didn't it? It's not capacitors. Right, what are these? These are in-channel MOSFETs. Now, these are for a different project. Right, these are TK5A 50D. Apparently. So these are 500 volt, 5 amp MOSFETs with 10 microamp stated there as well. I'm not sure what that's for, I don't know. But yeah, these are for my capacitor leakage project. Now I've been playing with different ideas about what I could use for that, and using a MOSFET control for the output voltage was one of the ideas. So these are 500 volts, so they could take quite a bit of power. So those actually can handle the voltages that I'd need to do. I need to do up to about 450 volts. So they'll cover that. Whether I end up using that, I don't know yet. I probably won't be, but anyway. So what's this over here? That's the mailbag for now. So don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Check out the links below if I check links. If I put links below for these items, I think I probably will for this camera mount and for those soldering iron tips for the TS100, because they're bang good items. I believe I got them from Banggood, and I get a commission if people buy things on their site. It just helps me out a little bit. And thanks to my Patreons that support me as well. That's brilliant. And I'm always looking for more if anyone's interested. So I'll catch you later, and hopefully things are looking up. Catch you later.